Hi and welcome to Afrihost Help Center. Today I'm going to show you how to sign up for wireless pure 5G. Open your internet browser and navigate to afrihost.com. Select the wireless tab at the top of the page. Click on 5G and then select View 5G Packages. The Pure 5G page will load. Enter the street address where you would like to use 5G, ensuring you select the correct address from the drop-down options. Click the Check Coverage button. Choose a package that suits your needs by clicking on it and click Next. Now check and ensure that the package you have selected is correct and click Next Step. You will be redirected to Afrihost ClientZone account login page. If you do not have an Afrihost account, select the option to create a new one at the bottom and fill in your account details. If you do have an existing Afrihost account, log in using your existing ClientZone credentials. Once logged in, you will be required to provide Rica information. On the Rica Contacts page, select New Contact if you do not have any Rica contact details, or select the existing contact details saved. Since we already have a Rica contact saved, we will select the existing one. You will be asked if you require a 5G router. If you do need a 5G router, select Yes, I need a router. If you do not need a 5G router, select No, I have my own router. For a pure 5G SIM-only package, select No, I have my own router and follow the prompts to complete the order. For the purposes of this video, we will select Yes, I need a router. Select the 5G router and click Next. Enter your preferred Wi-Fi name and password and select Add Details. Otherwise, you can leave the pre-populated default details and select No Thanks. The information will be pre-configured to your router before delivery or collection. You will be offered products that you may be interested in, such as a mesh Wi-Fi system or a UPS. If you do not want any, select No Thank You. Confirm that the order in your shopping cart is correct. You will see the pro rata rate you will pay today and the regular monthly payments to be made from the beginning of the following month. Select the Checkout button to proceed. Choose your preferred delivery option. Have your router delivered to you or collected from Afrihost headquarters. If you want your router to be delivered, fill in the delivery address and recipient details. For the purposes of this video, we will choose Deliver My Order. Select the delivery address if you already have a saved one, or select New Address to add a new delivery address. Select the delivery option. Enter the recipient details and select These details are correct. Next, you'll be asked to select a payment method. Select an existing account or add new details by selecting Add Payment Method. Ensure that all items in your cart are correct before completing the order. Select the checkboxes to accept the terms and conditions. Finally, select Complete My Order to check out. You have successfully signed up for wireless pure 5G.